Hello, y'all. Live from Dante'S Simmons Studio Sounds. Just want to show you my new studio setup. This is my new birthday gift to me, my new Akai Professional Mass Music Production Center, Key 61, which has touchscreen, state-of-the-art, 6,000 sounds, 6,000 instruments. Also has a drum pad machine, state-of-the-art, everything. This is also my Akai Music Production Center, standalone keyboard synthesizer machine. Now that this right here is now into this keyboard right here. So with this combination and this combination, I'm unstoppable. So now I also have my Yamaha Studio Ranger keyboard synthesizer along with my Novation Rhythm Circuit Track Groove machine. So this is it, y'all. This is the whole studio, Dante'S Simmons studio setup. More music coming, more serious music coming. Just letting you know that I will be making some serious music and music systems from Dante'S Simmons Studio Sounds. All right, just letting y'all know there's some serious music on the way. And I'm out, y'all.